motherfuckers.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Bootsville to southwest pass of the
Heck yeah, another special marine warning.
miles. Coastal waters from Stake Island to southwest pass of
Fake Island.
20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, Louisiana out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 32 nautical miles east of Town, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. This is NOAA Weather. Pensacola National Weather Service. The current time is 3.
Pensacola. Oh yeah, by the way, another special marine warning.